Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Since you watch me from different parts of the world, so I cannot stick to one kind of greetings. I receive this question every single day. Can I learn English by myself? The answer is it depends. It depends on the kind of materials that you use for training. It depends on your time of training. It depends on the consistency of your training. So we cannot say 100% that your English will get improved if you and should you train yourself by yourself. Sometimes in the beginner's level, they need supervision and monitoring and observation to be able to find their way of learning. For the intermediate and advanced level, it's okay to survive alone in the land of English. But for beginners level, sometimes it's really hard and it's really a struggle, especially when it comes to finding the right materials for your right training. So I would say have some investments in the beginner's level if you're a beginner. If you're intermediate and upper intermediate or advanced level, it's okay to train yourself by yourself. But for beginners, I highly recommend you find professional people, especially master or PhD, to help you with your learning of English. Have a wonderful day.